Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a playlist for a video player in React Native's new architecture for Android. So this will be only for Android. Firstly I will show you guys the output. So I have one video player running, and here you can see, quickly show it to you. So here you can see this is a video player running. I'll just play it, and here you can see there is one video playing. Ignore the aspect ratio, like I have made it to occupy the entire width and height. That's why it is looking little bit off. I will just pause it. Now if I click on the next button, here you can see it will just start playing some other video. So that's what I'm calling as a video playlist. Now if I again click on next video, here you can see it has started playing some other video as well. So I have 3 video inside my playlist. That's why it is we can't really move forward, so the next button is disabled. But if you want to go back again, you can go back to the second video as well. So here you can see it has started playing again. So this can be a local URL as well as network URL as well. So it's up to you. So let's see how to do this. Firstly, you should open this turbo module docs. I will be copying a lot of code from this. Next we will have to go to this. I have created one React Native application. Firstly we will have to search for new arc enabled inside gradle.properties. We will have to make this as true. Once that is done, we will have to create one folder called rtn myplayer. Inside that we will have to create a file called package.json. I have copy pasted everything from documentation. Only this name has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Rest everything remains the same. Then we really don't need a podspec file because this is iOS specific. Okay, so you can ignore this. Then create a JS folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Again copied it everything from the documentation. Only thing change is this name over here, and here it takes a prop of URL which is of array of string. Then inside Android we will have to first create all these folders, src main java.com rtn myplayer, and also inside Android you will have to create a build.gradle file. Again I have copy pasted this from docs. Only this version has been updated. Compile SDK is 34, main SDK is 24, target SDK is 34, and here I am just using kotlin standard lib 1.9.22, and here I have this media 3 Exoplayer as well as media 3 UI 1.4.0 dependencies. Then inside our folders I have firstly created my player package.kt. Again I have copy pasted this from docs. Only this names has been changed, as well as this particular name and package name has been changed. Then I have created my player manager.kt. So again I have copy pasted most of it from docs. Only this package name has been changed, and here this particular name of my player, everywhere my player name has been changed. So over here as well, over here, as you can see over here. And once we get the prop as URL, it would be a readable array. So that's what we get inside React Native. Once we send it from TypeScript a string of array, and we just call setup player and pass the value to it, which has this setup player is defined inside myplayer.kt. So again I have copy pasted the package name. So here we are extending linear layout. Here I have created our Exoplayer for playing video. This is our video list which we get from our TypeScript or React Native side. Here I have created our player view, and once inside setup player, if there is some video inside video list, I am first clearing it. Then I am just looping over our array and adding getting the string and adding it from of media item.from URI. Then I am just creating our Exoplayer, and then you have to set exoplayer.set items, pass your video list. It will automatically create a playlist out of it. Suppose later on if you want to clear your playlist, you can use this, but I have commented it out. Or if you want to enable shuffle mode, you can make use of this as well, but again I have commented this out. And then we just play our Exoplayer. Hide system UI, if you want you can do it, not really necessary. Here we are releasing our player. So this is the code for it. Okay, next you will just have to open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project and run this. Okay, once you run this, you will have to then do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project. Then you will have to run this particular command, but here you will have to replace rnapp with your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp over here as well as over here. Then you will have to cd to android, so this particular android folder, and then run this command. So this will do code generation for android. Now to use it, you can import it something like this, and inside rtnmyplayer you can pass the url of whatever files you want. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can play video. You can create a playlist. Thank you for watching. Bye.